one.
Hi, I'm Kristie Molinaro with the Angel Cooperative, and I am here with the Scorpio stones. Scorpio's birthday this month. Happy birthday to Kristie's brother Chip. Kristie's the owner of the Angel Co-op, and her brother's having a birthday. So happy birthday. And these stones may be coming your way, Chip, so just be on the lookout. So, interestingly enough, Mercury retrograde is also in Scorpio. And so it's really important for Scorpios to get their hands on these stones because everything is kind of murky right now. We're in a state of death and rebirth. And it means that you have to hold boundaries and you have to learn to communicate in terms of really saying what you feel. Because if you're holding things back, it's not going to go well in this particular time with Mercury being in Scorpio. That being said, I have these stones that I picked out for Scorpios that I feel like would be the best for them. And I brought my little sheet so that I can tell you exactly what I think they should be for. So the first stone I picked is malachite, and I really like the look of this stone. But malachite for Scorpios, it releases toxins, and especially from your heart, because Scorpios tend to hold things in their heart. And this is a good stone for Scorpios for physical and emotional healing and release. So I picked malachite. The second stone, which actually is the most important stone, if you get any stone for a Scorpio, and that's why I picked a wand, because a wand is a nice generator for all the other stones. But sodalite. Sodalite is a really, really important stone for Scorpios because it has calming energy. And calming energy is foreign to most Scorpios. And it's the kind of energy that they need. They need to calm their system. Holding on to this stone can help calm your system. And so this, to me, is the most important. The next stone I picked is rhodochrosite. I really like this stone too. It's pretty. Rhodochrosite is wonderful. And it's an aid to feel compassion and feel deeply loved. If you want to hold this and step into your heart and feel the love that's in your heart and love that's around you, this is a good stone to have. And then the next stone is turquoise. Turquoise is a natural protective stone, but for Scorpios, it releases anything that is no longer serving you. So anything in your life that you feel that you want to let go of, you can use this as an aid, and it helps you to also look forward to the future and move past things that hold you back, anything that might be in your way at this time. So turquoise. The next stone is citrine. Citrine is a nice stone for Scorpios to step into their power, but step in a very gentle way and step in a way that helps you to hold your boundaries and protect your boundaries. So that is citrine. And the last stone, and I thought this was kind of cool and it could hold all the other stones, is Smoky Quartz. And Smoky Quartz it actually helps protect Scorpios from themselves. And so Smoky Quartz is important to protect you from feelings of depression, because Scorpios can tend, when their energy is very high, and at this time when Mercury retrograde is in Scorpio and your whole birth month, your energy can be really high, and that can lead to some depression. So this can really help you to protect you kind of just from going back inside yourself into depression. So those are the stones I picked. You can come on in and pick them up here at the Angel Co-op. And again, happy birthday to Chip and all the other Scorpios this month. See you soon. Bye.